በአዳዲስ ስራ ወደ እናንተ ተሚያ ፖሊስትሪ መርሴዲስ ጂ-ዋገን ጂ-ክላስ በጣም ክላሲክ የሆነ መኪና ውስጡን ውብ አድርገን ሰርተን አጠናቀናል። እስኪ ከኛ ስራ ወይም ደግሞ በተሚያ ፖሊስትሪ ከመሰራቱ በፊት መኪናው ምን ይመስላል? ይሄው
Staple gun snap in the back of the shop. Granddad's hands never once had to stop. Cigarette hanging tape, measure at his hip. Straight lines, kid, that's how futures get stitched. Coffee on the counter, chalk dust on the floor. Cuts in the fabric, cuts in his palms from before. Said life sad quick, if you slack on the scenes. Pull tight, tuck clean, that's how you hold up dreams. This ain't just chairs, it's upholstery. We recover what they supposed to be. From torn up edges to luxury. Thread by thread, yeah, we sold that hope in me. This ain't just cloth, this is legacy.
ይህን ድንቅ የሆነ የኢንተሪየር ስራ ምን ስም አወጣችሁለት? አዶን ነው። እኛ የምንሰራው የምንወደውን ነው። ለእርሶም ስናስረክብ የመጀመሪያው ልኬት የኛ መውደድ ነው። ስራችንን ወደን አጠናቀናል ስንል መኪናውን ይረከባሉ። ይሄን መኪና ከ10 ስንት ሰጡት? ሬት አድርጉት። ተሚያ ፖሊስትሪ
I'm gone, one dash, playlist up, my lane, fast fires in my veins, left lane living no brakes, I just glide, whole world blur but the hook on my side. White lines, zip by, flat line, phone off, just drive, I'm loud, alive. Cup holder, crown, I'm the king of this seat. Every little word in the speakers repeats.